Okay, this is the perfect time to start the vlog, I guess.
Commandments, one. Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack.
Nari, tell him what happened today while we head out.
Oh man, what a day. Today was kind of calm, you know.
Some calm shit.
We didn't really do much, you know. Niggas pulled up, caught the pee, we went got some eats. Not really happened today.
Not really happened.
Except for this morning, we're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, I got a meet, so you know, I'm finna wrap my shit
I'm
up.
about to head out. You feel me? Melly, tell him what's gonna happen tonight while we follow Nari out.
We already know what's gonna happen tonight. It's a calm day. We outside. We lit. They call me Mel Rock. They call me Mel Black.
Oh. We got two special guests, you feel me? Cohen.
That and they found that the kids were more into
We up to the meet?
like that's what changed the whole
Right now?
it made the kids
The meet starts at 9.
into it.
No, we just gonna let her. We gonna walk Nari out and then we gonna come back and then be out. Cause I gotta grab my shit anyway. Again? He strikes again? He strikes again.
I heard about that shootout in Minnesota.
Yo, why is she talking about a shootout in Minnesota?
I got hoes in Minnesota. Cold in Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Get cold in Minnesota.
What the fuck?
Two kids died.
Yo, on me, Daddy tried infinite fucking cutscenes, bro.
So
How 3 niggas get out?
That's some crazy stats though.
On me, yo, that nigga KD is crazy. Yo,
You dropping dead
on
19.
me, nigga. Yo, that nigga was hitting straight trick shots. On me. Never fake the trick shot.
That nigga just started throwing bullets when I wanted.
On me, nigga. Nigga had a ricochet perk on. He was straight hitting shit, bro. Oh, chill, bro. On me, nigga. Oh, shit. Gucci flip flop, fucking hit your bitch in the sock. Hey.
You want girl?
Oh yeah,
Oh shit. Crazy.
my fault. Nigga, grab your bag, nigga, in the back.
It's in the back.
Yeah, let hurry up so that nigga Nari can put the coochie wipes in the bag.
What did he say?
Oh my god!
Do another pool game.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking. There's really levels to this shit, nigga. Oh my god!
This is another meet. Yo, y'all pulling up somewhere else? I'm gonna go behind you then. I bet. Good looks, good looks.
I lost my motherfucking mind, now my head gone. Shot him in his head.
Oh shit. Let me get the.
I ain't mad he died in that outfit, now he got dead clothes.
Alright, Mally. Feel me? What's the word? Where we at with it? What's going on, my nigga?
Shot him in his head.
Got them meats?
One of the loudest meets that we had ever hit. You were.
Woo, that bed.
That shit jumping.
Shot both ways, that's how he leads gone.
Hype shit.
On me, nigga.
Loud shit. We outside with the team.
Woo.
Drink like a number
Man, we gon' get a 360 view on this
badass bitch on my head, bro.
You already know, my nigga. We outside, nigga. Got some style, yo. We here. My nigga going up in the trampoline park. You feel me? Sun's light, sun's light. Oh, this is where we at? Oh, it's 9:50 on the clock. Get my nigga Cohen. About to hit a blinker for the camera.
Where your head look when your hair done. I like where your head feel, this a head song. I just got some head in the car when I was heading home. I lost my motherfucking mind, now my head gone.
We join my nigga.
I love the way your face look when you got glasses on. Me and Manny on a private jet, we'll crash it though. You can't get a ticket to my show, you don't have to go. My bitch pretty in the face, she smacking though. Fuck around and pull my drink out, I left the cabinet open. You don't want to buy these 100 bottles, dude. I love how you ride the dick and get me slow, yeah. I love your pretty ass face. Hit her with the lemon pepper wing with the bone in. This pussy was insulated. I did a song and I love when I move my bitch right, I'm not the wrong nigga.
Oh my. Are we out? Yeah. Decoloration. A lot of civic centers though. Download GR86 right there. Where's that nah, fuck it, I think that's GR86. Where's that a BRC? Either way, that's showered. Oh, is it the band?
Yo, what's up with it? What's up? Yo.
What's up, bro? We got the camel.
Some bad bitches in the V. No, I'm smelling toast.
Over here for the We're here for y'all niggas to get food. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, dude. Hell yeah, that's a 3-man for y'all niggas, feel me? I think you guys have it. Yeah, you do it, bro. Feel me, bro? Y'all here to get the Yo, he wildin'.
Yo, almost got macked up, ain't it? Alright, it's cool. Man. So what you looking at? I don't know what Cohen's saying. I ain't gonna lie.
Talking 3-man.
3-man? Yo, Kai, is that a prelude? A bird? Huh? A prelude? Oh, a prelude? Yeah. That's a prelude. Right?
A 3-man. Hey, put the camera on the thing. Like, he low-key do need a queen, but that bitch hard as hell.
Hard as a bitch.
That come across us, right?
Bro.
And he just not taking it. Like, you're not taking what I'm putting there. That's perfect. Like, I like it. Look, yeah. There's a whole 3-man over there. He worried about the car. They are just nice though, right?
But it's a mid 3-man though. It's a mid 3-man.
It wasn't mid, bruh. You know what? Maybe it's just, they was maybe mid. But you can just get something to warm up.
What did he say? Get something to warm up. No, nigga. Huh? I only like to dine once.
What? That's whole leg.
I like to dine once to make my meal amazing.
Oh, should I get the light? Let me get the light for you. I got you. I got you. We all got light.
We'll use the power of friendship.
What you see? You like everything you see? Hey, why you here? You feel me?
Alright, so talk to us. Like, what cars out here do you like?
I like the Civics, I got a Civic myself.
You got a Civic? Okay.
What's over
down
there?
there, but yeah.
Alright, so what do you do? What did you do to it?
Do anything
Just
to
a
it?
high flow cat and a muffler. That's all I've done so far. But
So, what's your favorite brand? Like BMW, German cars, you know what I'm saying, JDM,
Good
all
question.
that. What you like?
Yeah,
What you like?
I like a lot of JDM, but maybe American Muscle.
American Muscle, that's valid. What's your favorite American Muscle? Like Corvettes, Mustangs?
I really like the new C801.
Okay.
Yeah.
This guy knows balls. You fuck with this Honda right here?
Yeah.
Anything?
Do you want me to bring mine up? Go right here?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, let's go. Let's walk over there.
It's pretty stock, but
Hey.
other than a muffler and a high flow cat,
Anything is better than nothing.
Plan to do anything else?
I got coilovers on, but they're not lowered yet.
So, lower.
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet?
Yeah, I don't have all them on, so
BMW right here with it.
nah, it's way back.
With yellow light. Oh shit.
That's not regular.
That's not regular.
Turbo right?
Yeah, nigga, that's what I'm scared of right there. Yeah, turbo, nah. I ain't ready for it.
Oh, didn't you put those on when I worked there?
Shit. Stang. Oh shit. That means he got a turbo a supercharger. Oh shit. He got 2 intakes. 2 intakes right there underneath. That means crazy shit. Where'd that nigga go? Oh, here.
Yeah, it's okay. We somehow, some way ended up recruiting this nigga. We put up with the Hondas and we gonna go pull up on him. He said his favorite type of cars is JDM. He said he had a Honda, so I'm not very surprised. Oh no, he said American Muscle. My fault. He said American Muscle. But either way, I'm just trying to go check out this Honda. He said he had some. Like he had 2 mods on it. I think he wants to get.
Oh, where'd he go?
He had a muffler. Let's go find.
Where'd he bark at?
I don't know. We're coming over here.
I'm not seeing a recently pulled in Honda anywhere around this bitch.
If you don't look,
Oh, he right there.
this your Honda right here?
Woo! Completely stock.
Clean.
Muffler and high flow cat.
Look, the mystery gang bag. You got a new bag. I'm talking to my man. He said. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good.
He said he liked he had the Honda Easy. He was checking out this Honda over there.
This one.
Okay.
Just
You get anything to it?
Just a high flow kind of muffler. I got back to coilovers on, but it's not lowered yet. I'm gonna get my front on. Once I get my front on, I'll lower it because I don't want it squatting. So yeah.
Anything to the engine today?
Just other than a high flow catalytic converter, nothing else. But yeah.
How much you want to run on this bitch?
What do you mean?
Like money wise. What? How much you willing to spend on this?
It's a CVT, bro. It's like.
I mean, it's too late.
You got one?
Like, nah, I ain't bring my car. I drove it out. That shit hard, bro. I've been looking to Civics for sure, like for a long ass time. But it's like,
They're good, yeah. It's like easily modified.
I heard that because you bent down. I couldn't sneeze, you bent down, nigga, so I had to hold that shit.
that's American muscle right there, boy. What we talking about, Malcolm?
We outside. We went to a couple different meets. We done got shut down a couple times. We done got picked up a couple times. But outside, we outside tonight.
Right.
We ain't shutting shit down. We done been outside, moving, mobile. We gonna keep being outside. Word.
Facts. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Talking about car? Huh? Oh shit. We were just trying to flick up, you feel me? Man, you like right, you got it. All up in my motherfucking grill with it be? God, leave my nigga, are you recording? Yeah. Okay. Why wouldn't I be? You feel me? What the fuck? Hold on. Yo, this shit hard, bro. What? This shit hard. What the fuck's talking about? Blurry as fuck. Well, man, give me your business, bro. That's stock, right? Oh my god.
I heard yours.
Where yours?
I heard. That's probably Denny. Nigga, that's why. Bro.
I heard it that way.
It was that way. Hey, bro, where Denny at?
Hold on, where you at? Yeah. Where nigga at?
Wasn't Denny there? It wasn't Denny. It wasn't Denny. He would have said something back.
My life is like a Christopher Nolan movie.
Get your fat ass on my camera.
What's going on? I'd say don't try to understand it, just feel it.
Nigga, put that window on.